Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook professional mode if it is not showing on your Facebook account. It is very simple, and I'll go ahead and show you a couple methods on how to fix this. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you can do is go to Facebook, go to your profile or the menu in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you then want to click on your account at the very top, and then you want to click on the three dots beside your add a story. You should then see an option to turn on professional mode. If you do not see this option, there's a couple things you can do. The first thing you can do is hop out of here and go to the App Store and search for Facebook. Once you've done that, you're just checking to see if Facebook needs any kind of update. However, it is not for me. However, it might for you. Another thing you can do is go to Settings, scroll down to General, click on iPhone Storage, and wait for it to load. Then you want to find the Facebook app once it is done loading. I'll go ahead and scroll down. You can also search in the top right, but once you have found it, you want to offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data safe so you don't have to worry about any of your data disappearing. Once you're done offloading the app, you want to reinstall it, clear it, open it back up, and see whether or not it disappeared. Finally, the last thing you can do is hold your power button and the top volume button to turn off your phone, and then turn it back on and see if it has now appeared on your Facebook account. But one of these methods should help fix the professional mode not showing, so I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying 2,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.